Do you own a restaurant, B&B, hair salon, or any other local business? Then you need to start collecting reviews. A recent survey shows that 88% of consumers read online reviews to determine the quality of a local business. When you also factor in the popularity of online directories like Yelp, you will quickly realize how important it is to start collecting online reviews. But how can you generate reviews and increase positive feedback about your business without making your clients feel uncomfortable or pushed into a corner? Here are 3 steps to get you started. The first and most obvious one is provide excellent service. Easier said than done, and yet too often forgotten. While most clients will not take the time to write a review about a mediocre experience, they will share details of an extremely bad experience or an outstanding one. Try to provide one of those outstanding experiences that will motivate your clients to write a review. The second step is to create a personalized profile for your business on major online directories and social networks. Make sure to claim ownership on all of your business's listings and let your customers know how to check them out. Once you've created your profiles, you're ready for step 3. Make it easy for your clients to leave you feedback. To do this, create links from your website to your listings site. You can also put up signs in your business or on your menu. For example, having a sign that says, "Check us out on TripAdvisor" is a good idea. It adds credibility to your business while also helping you generate more reviews. TripAdvisor will be more than happy to have you put a banner on your homepage. With these 3 steps, you should be able to start generating reviews soon. Remember to always provide outstanding service, make sure your business is listed in major online directories, and last of all, make it easy for clients to know how and where they can leave you feedback. Reviews from happy clients will quickly generate more business. Good luck!